In these two videos, we're going to finish up the right side of this flowchart. We're going to take our no precipitation reactions from the NaOH, and we're going to heat them up, and we're going to a red litmus test. One of them will identify itself when we see the litmus paper change colors. The two remaining, we're going to do an additional test, and it's the flame test, and we're going to do it with the original material. We're not going to be doing it with the liquid. And that's how we'll get the final two cations identified. I've got 3 watch glasses for each of these beakers. This is red litmus paper, but I want it to stick to the watch glass. It's gonna look like this. I'm gonna wipe off the extra water. I guess it's okay to do it that way. They want all 3 of these stuck on there. Okay. This needs to be on low. Do you want to zoom in and just show it's really low? It's really low. So if a gas comes off of that and it turns blue, it means that it's the NH4 ion, because that's a basic gas, meaning it's a base. I'm hoping I can fit them all off. Okay, oh, you can see it, look. The results of the red litmus paper test identified that this solution gave off a gas that was basic or blue to litmus paper, and that these two did not give off a gas that was basic or blue to litmus paper. The blue litmus paper indicates which is NH4+, and the other two, we still have one final test to identify the difference between them. So we're down to wanting to know what these two are. Actually, I didn't even need the spatula. All right. So this stick was in here, and that's DI water, because we don't want the stick to burn. I'm gonna put some of this on here. And then okay, so we have these two. Now they're ready. Turn the gas. I'm going to try to make it a little lower down, and maybe it'll make the color more intense. I don't know. Okay, you ready? And the last test to distinguish the two, you could see that there were 2 different colored flames. The yellow flame indicated that we had sodium ions, and the violet flame indicated that we had potassium ions. So we have now identified all 6 cations in those different solutions.